Thanks for joining me at Margaret LALIK'S kitchen. Today we are going to make chicken and vegetable chow mein. To make this delicious Asian-inspired dish, we need vegetables, chicken, and Asian dressings. You can use any kinds of vegetables that you have in your refrigerator. Today I'm using what I have in my possession. Today I'm using mushrooms, carrots, onions, colored peppers, garlic, green onions, and water chestnuts. I love water chestnuts. It gives nice crunch to the dish. You can use any kind of vegetables, like broccoli would be perfect, zucchini, pretty much anything you have in your refrigerator. Any vegetable that you feel like using, you can put in this dish. I'm using 1 pound organic free-range chicken from Trader Joe's, and I'm cutting it in small pieces. Once you cut and prep all your vegetables and your chicken, it's so easy to make. It goes so fast. I'm cutting in big chunks or stripes like you can see. Everything is in big chunks. Now I'm going to make the dressing. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, and mixing it. I'm also adding 1 tablespoon of water. I think I need more hoisin sauce. I'm going to add 1 more tablespoon of hoisin sauce. I'm also adding some pepper flakes, sesame seed, 3 teaspoons, and our sauce is ready. On a hot skillet, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and stir frying my vegetables. I'm frying the vegetables until I get this charred look, shaking it a few times so it won't get burned. And once I get this charred look, I'm transferring it into another container and setting it aside, and I am going to continue cooking on the same skillet my mushrooms and my chicken. My mushrooms are cooked. Now I'm going to transfer it to another container too and set it aside and continue with the other ingredients. In a separate pan, I have boiled the water and soaked the saffron bean threads and let it soak for 20 minutes. Now I'm adding more sesame oil to my pan and I'm frying my chicken. At this point, I'm adding only pepper. I'm not adding salt, since in my sauce I have a soy sauce and it's pretty salty. I want to make sure my chicken is caramelized on all sides, so I like it to be nice and caramelized. At this point, once it's done, I'm adding back all my vegetables. I started with mushroom and then adding the vegetables and adding all the other ingredients. My sauce that I made earlier, I'm going to cook it in the sauce. Then I'm adding the noodles. I have soaked the noodles 20 minutes in the hot boiling water. Then I drained it. Now I am adding it to my pan. It's a little hard to mix it, but I think I can manage it. At the end, I'm adding the green onions. Oh, I forgot the water chestnuts. I was supposed to add the chestnuts, then the green onions, but I will add the chestnuts right now. I'm adding the chestnuts and mixing. These chestnuts give such a nice crunch to this dish. I love it. I love in Asian cooking, and I always use that. I don't have a wok, and this skillet is a little bit too small for this, but I'm trying to manage it in this skillet. Trying to incorporate everything, and pretty much it's done. I don't need to overcook it. It's all done. Everything is cooked already. I just want the juice to be the liquid to be evaporated, and I like it to be more sticky. Now I'm going to add the sesame seed, and it's all done. I'm adding a little more hoisin sauce, and I'm also garnishing it with sesame seed. And there we have it, another delicious recipe. It is delicious. You will love this. If you like Asian recipes, Asian food, you have to try this and let me know how you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe, share it with your friend, and hit that like button. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, wonderful week, and wonderful life. Bye bye.